On March 22nd, 2026, in Uniontown, Ohio, a man named Jeff was driving through the area when he passed Officer Dylan Soyson during a traffic stop and shouted something from his vehicle. Officer Soyson then ended the stop, returned to his patrol car, and followed Jeff to the intersection of Cleveland Avenue and Grove Street. What happened next was recorded on the officer's body camera.
In Grovemont, King John 1127. King John 1127. You start me another unit.
I copy Cleveland. What was the cross street?
Hey, stick both your hands out the window. Grovemont. Both of them now.
Did you guys Cleveland and Oakland?
Step out of the car.
What are you stopping me for?
I'll tell you. Get out. Take your seatbelt off.
Tell me why you're stopping.
Get out of the car now.
You got a reason?
Get out of the car.
Okay, you're gonna
face the car.
manhandle me? Okay.
I'm detaining you for disorderly conduct.
Oh?
And then you also decided that you wanted to reach or hide something underneath the glove box or inside the...
I don't know what you're talking
all right.
about.
4 to 6. I just came from Bethany back in the town.
You go ahead and this is going to be a lawsuit.
That's
bud.
fine. You're being detained.
You have no reason to detain me.
I do.
You have stated
I do.
not a legal reason.
So the reason why I'm detaining you,
Is what?
3 reasons. One, I can smell the weed.
Weed?
Yeah, I can smell weed coming from you. Were you smoking weed? Because when you pass me, I could smell it.
That's ridiculous.
Second thing is, you yelled out of the car, fucking pig.
Yes.
You know that's disorderly conduct in the state of Ohio.
I don't know anything about that.
You can't yell obscenities towards someone. So you obstructed me from doing my job because I had to stop.
Give me a ticket.
Listen
Let's
to
do
me.
it. I'll
Listen
take a
to me.
ticket. I have nothing else to say.
I have one detained.
I'm silent from here on out. You can arrest me?
Okay. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, never did.
All right, spread your legs. What's this?
Probably keys.
Okay.
I have no weapons, sir. Here you go. Let's go. I've committed no crime.
Okay. I'm gonna have you take a seat in my car.
You're just taking it personally.
No, I'm not taking anything.
You definitely are.
Mm-mm.
You just came ripping up after me.
I know.
I got nothing illegal.
I'm not putting you up here. I'm putting you back here. Is there a reason why you didn't stop? Almost half mile down the road.
I didn't know you were coming after me. How would I know you're coming after me?
So
I was about to pull over and let you pass me.
There's a police car, lights and siren behind you, and you just decided that you weren't gonna.
I was
pull over.
Or I was deciding to pull into this road.
Okay.
I wasn't trying to.
Okay.
Like,
Go ahead and take
run.
a seat.
Go ahead.
So, whatever you put in the glove box, or underneath the passenger seat, or underneath your seat, I'm gonna check. So, sir, I got a question for you. I'm gonna read your rights. You're not under arrest.
You haven't read my rights. You just said I'm being detained.
I know that. I'm reading your rights.
Oh, I thought you said
No.
I
You
read
have the right to
your
remain
rights.
silent. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to during present or questioning. Bound 401, one be appointed. Do you understand your rights?
I believe.
Okay. What do you not understand?
No, I believe I understand them.
I just need a yes or no.
Yeah, I believe I understand.
Okay. I do have a question for you. Are you willing to answer my question?
I don't know. Ask away. I mean,
It's. Do you want an attorney present during questioning? It's kind of a yes or no.
what are we doing here? I'm not. I've committed no crime.
So
I have gummies in my car and a vape.
okay.
And then you said you smelled weed when I drove by, which is impossible.
Okay.
So
Well,
what are you cooking up?
so that's
Seriously.
that's the thing is you do have a vape in your car.
Of course.
Okay. So the thing is, and you have gummies. You know the whole new law, right? You have to have it in the trunk if you're with it. If you have it with you now.
I haven't heard anything about that.
Yeah, they passed it on Friday.
Well, then that's
Friday.
brand new, and I'll take the hit.
Okay.
Lock me up, man.
In your gummies. Okay. And like you said, we'll figure out how it goes in court.
Am I still being detained? Are you just going to keep me cuffed?
No, you're under arrest now.
Within less than 2 minutes, 3 different reasons were given for the stop, but none of them clearly matched the situation. First was the claim about the smell of marijuana. Since Ohio legalized recreational cannabis in 2023, the smell alone does not automatically justify stopping or detaining someone. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers must point to clear and specific facts, not just a vague suspicion. That principle was established in the 1968 Supreme Court case, Terry v. Ohio. Another explanation involved so-called suspicious movements, but nothing was later found to support that claim. The final reason was disorderly conduct, which became the central issue in the case and would later face closer attention. There was also another major concern. Miranda rights are normally read before questioning someone who is officially in custody, not during a temporary detention. Reading Jeff his rights while also saying he was only being detained created confusion and raised questions about whether Officer Soyson fully understood the legal process he was following.
For what? For what?
I just said disorderly conduct.
Okay. Is that going to fly in court? Let him know before he makes a bad call. So, he's making a bad call right now.
Any speed, any traffic, any... I had him not yielding to me, but that's about it.
So, here's what I would do. Since that law just went into effect Friday,
Okay.
I would educate them. So, hey, future reference, law changed Friday, today's Sunday.
Okay.
Just so you know, you can't transport this stuff like that. It needs to be in your trunk.
Okay.
The other thing, dude, yelling fuck you to the police,
I
that's
understand.
freedom of speech.
That
I
is.
mean, he could tell us fuck off all day.
But I was on a traffic stop with other people around me. It is actually disorderly conduct.
But
I know where you're coming
if
from.
I were you, I would cut him loose.
Okay.
I would cut
You're
him loose.
OIC, so you're...
I would cut him loose.
What Officer Beveridge did in this moment is what the law is supposed to look like in practice, even though situations like this do not happen often enough. Instead of allowing the situation to escalate, the senior officer stepped in and stopped an arrest that did not appear legally justified. The First Amendment protects speech that may be rude, offensive, or upsetting, especially when directed at government officials. The Supreme Court made that clear in Cohen v. California, ruling that offensive language alone is not automatically a crime. Ohio's disorderly conduct law does mention offensive or coarse language, but those rules still have to follow constitutional protections. For speech to become criminal, it generally must cross the line into what courts call fighting words. That means direct personal language likely to trigger an immediate violent reaction during a face-to-face confrontation. In this case, Jeff shouted from a moving vehicle while driving by. There was no direct confrontation and no immediate threat of violence. Based on those facts, the situation did not clearly meet the standard for disorderly conduct. Officer Beveridge recognized that. Officer Soyson appeared to view it differently.
Hey, Jeff, I'm coming up behind you. All right, so listen. The whole stop, right? Disorderly conduct. So I'm going to explain this to you. Just let me explain it to you so you can understand it.
We're going through with it.
No, I'm not charging you.
No,
okay.
All I'm doing is
way.
educating.
He's just talking to you.
Making sure it's getting
So look,
ready to let you
printed,
have it.
Look how long it is. I printed off from the state website so you know I didn't alter it in any way. So disorderly conduct, right? Making unreasonable noise or offensively coarse utterance, gesture, or display communicating unwanted, grossly behavior to any person. So,
Right, but this all has context, and the context right there is not applicable. So I don't need your education. I'll take this, and I'll be on my way. We're done.
Listen, I'm trying to talk to you.
Bro, if we're done, we're done.
Can we just talk to you a minute?
I don't want to talk.
Okay.
I want to go about my way. I'll read this. I'll educate myself.
Okay.
I'll follow the rules.
So-
but you came up on me extra butthurt, and that's what this is all about.
It's not.
It is.
Listen.
You were butthurt, and
Listen.
you came up on
Okay.
me.
Listen.
So I'm gonna
Let me
flex my
one
First
thing-
Amendment. I'm done.
Jeff,
Hold on.
Are you detaining me?
stop.
Listen, we have
Your
to tell
vape.
you about the vape
Your
thing.
vape
That's
is on
all.
your trunk,
We're trying to tell you.
and your
that the law
gummies.
changed.
I didn't
That's
didn't
it.
search for your gummies.
Okay.
You got to put them in the trunk before you leave the stop. That's it. That's all I was trying to tell you, so you don't drive off and your vape falls off and I get blamed for that. That's it.
Okay. But you did come up on me butthurt, and fuck
No.
you. You're a bitch.
See, that's fine.
Exactly. Exactly. That's all this is.
Okay.
We're done. You need to learn context.
Jeff's final comments toward the officer and the response that followed revealed how the situation ultimately ended. Jeff used insulting language as he left, but Officer Beveridge did not escalate the moment or treat the words as a crime. Instead, he made it clear that people still have free speech protections, even when their comments are rude or disrespectful. That response showed restraint and an understanding that criticism alone is not grounds for an arrest. The situation became even more revealing when Officer Soyson tried to defend the stop by pointing to a printed copy of the law, despite already being told by his supervisor that the charge did not hold up. That moment highlighted a serious concern: confidence without a clear understanding of the legal limits involved. According to reports, the Uniontown Police Department later ended Officer Soyson's employment during his probationary period after an internal review found there was not enough legal justification for the stop. The body camera footage had already raised those concerns long before the investigation was completed. Officer Beveridge, on the other hand, stepped in and prevented the situation from becoming more serious. He recognized that the disorderly conduct claim would likely not survive constitutional review, questioned the weak cannabis-related claim, and instructed that Jeff be released. He stayed firm on that position, even while standing beside another officer. Jeff also remained calm throughout the encounter and clearly asserted his rights without making the situation worse. While many people might have reacted emotionally under pressure, he avoided giving officers additional reasons to escalate the stop.